It's National Mimosa Day. We are making a toast to the classic brunch cocktail and showing you some other fun spritz drinks that you can make for spring and summer because, as we know, it is spritz season.
It is spritz season.
One of my favorite seasons.
Joining us, is it really?
Yeah.
It's good to know. Joining us is Oset Babur-Winter, Senior Drinks Editor for Food and Wine. Oset, good morning and welcome to New York Living.
Thank you.
By the way, you were happy to see Century 21 come
I'm
back.
very excited.
We're all in this together.
She's going there right after.
Oh, yeah. My morning is open.
Your morning is open. For people who don't know, what exactly is a mimosa?
A mimosa is an incredibly straightforward drink that is great for brunch or like an early afternoon kind of situation. It's just orange juice and Prosecco.
That's it.
Whatever bubbles you prefer.
That's it.
Is there a perfect way to make it, like the best ratio, or is it just personal preference, or what's the official?
Because she likes to eyeball things.
Right. I am also an eyeballer, for sure. It's definitely something you can choose your own journey with. So if you want a boozier mimosa, you can do less OJ, more Prosecco. If you want something lighter because you have things to do that afternoon, you can do more orange juice. I also like using grapefruit juice or like other kinds of citrus juices. Fun. But yeah, the mimosa is flexible.
Okay, so we have here our classic
This
mimosa.
is the classics.
So that's missing bubbles. So
We're
we'll put
missing
some.
Oh, we need
you know,
those.
it's good to like top a la minute just to, you know.
A la
A la minute.
A la minute.
Is that French?
Yeah.
That sounds like something Hermione Granger would say. A la minute.
All right, let's do
From
this.
Harry Potter.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Also, the vessel. Everyone
Love a
at Food
champagne
and Wine,
flute.
you guys come
Does this?
dressed
I want
to
to
the
go
nines.
to the. I want to go to
and
the
dress to the
supplies
nines.
closet at Food and Wine.
We have a wine room and a cocktail room.
Excuse you?
Yeah, it's
I'm
really
moving in.
What
I'm
do we have
moving
to
in.
do to get invited?
I mean,
see
we
your
can hang
PR
out.
person.
We know somebody, and we definitely know your PR person. She's been in here.
L'chaim?
Okay.
Look at me. I should walk around
Is
with
this
this
fresh
all day.
squeezed?
I'm matchy-matchy.
Yeah,
You
really.
look perfect. You
Look
look
at
very
this.
ready for this.
Dang, this is
My
good.
sauce
Okay.
gonna float right off.
I'm gonna float
So
right
obviously this is more OJ, less Prosecco because
It's only 10:07. We
things to
have
do.
50 minutes left of the show, and we need to
Correct.
keep our wits about us. What is the other spritz-themed cocktail?
So this is a Yuzu Amaro Spritz. This is from Principe, which is a newer restaurant in Soho that I personally love. This is also a really straightforward spritz to make. It's basically just a little bit of Amaro, some again, some bubbles, and then you can add some Fever Tree lime soda to add a little bit of fizz to it.
Delicious.
But it's really the Amaro, and then there's a little bit of rosemary that goes in the shaker to add some like herbaceousness
I knew
to
there
it.
was going to be something special.
Can you tell? Can you please? What is Amaro?
Amaro
no.
is one of my favorite things to make drinks
Oh.
with. You can have it
She
on
just
its own.
dove right in.
Sorry.
As a digestive at the end of your meal, it's a perfect liqueur.
So it's a digestif?
Yeah, exactly. So you can have it. It's basically kind of an herbal.
It's good for my gut health.
This is.
It was
health food.
medicinal back in the day.
Okay.
So it's
Okay.
really just medicine.
Can we actually make one now?
We can. We're going to do a Campari Spritz.
Ooh,
I love that.
fancy.
So the Campari Spritz is like the Aperol Spritz's kind of more bitter grown-up cousin.
Oh, okay.
I prefer it because Campari is...
More bitter grown-up cousin.
Yep, it's a little, well, actually, we'll start with the ice. It's a little less sweet, which I personally love.
Me,
Okay,
same here.
Thank you for saying
I was
that.
very worried.
Okay, I was too. Listen, with no disrespect to the Aperol Spritz, because I love that lifestyle. Get me on a beach in Italy somewhere, but sometimes it can run sweet, so I'm thankful.
For sure. And, you know, the one thing to note is that Campari is higher in alcohol than Aperol, so, you know,
So
pace yourself.
ease your way into
Drink
it.
responsibly.
Yes.
Is this a blood orange? What's happening?
It
here?
is a blood
Oh,
orange.
that's a gorgeous garnish.
Yeah,
gorgeous.
and you know, you can use whatever you have handy, so don't
got-
have to, but we're gonna do 2 ounces of Campari for each
Okay.
of these.
What is the Campari taste? What is it most like?
So Campari, I would say, is kind of like, if you're familiar with the taste of Aperol, think of it as kind of a lot of the same notes, but with like more of a bitter profile
okay.
to it.
Oh, you said the older cousin.
It's the
Exactly.
older and more bitter cousin of the
For
Aperol.
sure. It's got a little bit more of that kind of like herbal root and kind of like spices to it, which I really enjoy.
Okay.
And all in all, it's just like a fantastic color too. I mean,
It is.
Aperol
It's gorgeous.
Very on
is
trend.
bright orange. This is more red.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add
Now you've got your bubbles.
Now you've got your bubbles.
And is that it? I was so distracted by the gorgeousness.
Yeah.
It's just the Campari and the bubbles?
It's the Campari, the bubbles,
she's
and a
gonna
little bit
finish
of
it with
soda.
With a little bit of soda.
Yeah.
And you have grapefruit soda there, but can you use any soda?
You can use any soda. I like grapefruit because I think it Oop, that was over the
You
top.
know
Oh,
what?
Mazel.
Mazel.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, this
While
is going to
you-
be my new drink, I
While
think.
you continue finishing this, we just want to remind folks if for more creative food and wine ideas, you can go to foodandwine.com. You can also pick up the latest issue of Food and Wine on newsstands right
I might have to
now.
pick me one of those
This
up.
sounds delightful.